Okay, so hello students, welcome you all once again to this wonderful channel where you can find all the shortcut tricks. Now in this video we are going to discuss a very cool trick to calculate the n factor of disproportionation reaction. Now first of all, what is this disproportionation reaction? See, a reaction in which simultaneously both oxidation and reduction occurs. Okay, that type of reaction are called disproportionation reaction. Now our trick is mainly focused on to calculate the n factor of this type of reaction. See here, the formula or the trick is to calculate the n factor. The trick is n1 into n2 by n1 plus n2. Whereas what is this n1 and n2? So what is this n1 and n2? It is change in oxidation number. See, for example, this is an equation. Now after balancing the equation, we will see the change in oxidation number. How much oxidation number is changed from left side to right side. That change in oxidation number is your n1 and n2. Alright, now let us move on to the first example, because if we solve the example, then we can understand the concept better. The more example we solve, the more better we become. Therefore, see here we have phosphorus. See, P4 is reacting with OH minus and it is giving to 4PH3 plus NaH2PO2. Now we will have to balance it. First, I'll be considering these two equations and these both. Now see here, we have 4 phosphorus here, already balanced 4. Now here also we have 4 phosphorus, but here there are no 4 phosphorus atoms. Therefore, I'll multiply 4 here. Getting my point? Very simple. Now just see the oxidation number here. What is the oxidation number of phosphorus here? 0. But if you look at here, what is the oxidation number here? In pH3, the oxidation number is -3. Alright, how many phosphorus atoms we have? 4. So multiply 4. Got my point? Oxidation number of P phosphorus is -3. Am I right? Now how many atoms we have? 4. Therefore multiply by 4. Similarly here also oxidation number is 0. But here if we see, the oxidation number is changing to +1. Now how many atoms we have? 4. Therefore multiply by 4. Let's come to the calculation of n factor. What is the formula for n factor? n1 into n2 by n1 plus n2. n1 and n2, what I told you, change in oxidation number. See, 3 4s are 12 and 4 1s are 4. Neglect this sign. While substituting in the formula, we have to neglect the sign. We should not take -12. Okay. Now let's take 12 into 4, because n1 into n2 by n1 plus n2. 12 plus 4. 12 into 4, 48. 12 plus 4, 16. Now 16 3s are 48. So your n factor is 3. See, in the same model, there are chances of asking another question. What is that another question? They will be asking you to calculate the equivalent mass of phosphorus. How to calculate equivalent mass? See, the simple formula is, first you have to write molecular mass divided by n factor. This is the formula. This is the formula. Now substitute. What is the molecular formula for P4? As we already know, right? Just substitute it. Then what is the n factor we calculated? 3. That's all. You got your answer. Finished. Now let us move on to another example. See, another example I'll be discussing here. Imagine we have chlorine atom. Okay, chlorine atom is reacting with OH minus to give chlorine ion and ClO3 ion. Now we have to take 2 chlorine atoms. So again I am adding 1 chlorine here. Now look at this. First I will be considering these both and these both. Alright, see here we have oxidation number 0. But wait, let us balance first. We have 2 chlorine atoms here, but here we have only 1 chlorine atom. So multiply 2. Next, here also we have 2 chlorine atom, but here only 1. Therefore multiply again 2 here. Now see the oxidation number. Here the oxidation number of chlorine is 0, but here if you see, the oxidation number is -1. And how many atoms of chlorine we have? Sorry, not oxygen, chlorine. Okay, how many chlorine atoms we have? 2. So multiply 2. Similarly, here the oxidation number of chlorine is 0, but here if you look at the oxidation number, it is +5. Okay, you can calculate the oxidation number very easily with my previous trick. I have already uploaded the trick to calculate oxidation number. Therefore, how many chlorine atoms we have? 2. So multiply 2. Now very simple, just substitute in the formula. N1 and N2, what I told you, change in oxidation number. See how much oxidation number is changing? 2, and here 5 2s are 10. So multiply and add. Therefore 10 twos are 20 by 12. Finally you will be getting around 5 by 3. Am I right? 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12. Now again another question, what I told you, what they'll be asking you, equivalent mass. They'll be asking you equivalent mass of chlorine. Now what is equivalent mass? Molecular mass by n factor. Molecular mass by n factor. Molecular mass they'll be giving you, what is the molecular mass of chlorine? 71, right? 71 by n factor 5 by 3. N factor is 5 by 3. So 5, this 3 will go in the numerator. Now if you calculate this, you will get the equivalent mass of chlorine. So very simple, just use this formula. Remember N1 and N2 change in oxidation number, balance it and you will get the answer within few seconds. Alright, hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, because if you hit the like button, I'll get motivated and make still more amazing, cool, amazing tricks for you all guys. In maths, biology, physics as well as chemistry, I'm working on all the subjects, on all the chapters. Stay tuned, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.